Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make buffalo chicken dip without cream cheese. Many people enjoy this classic appetizer, but some prefer to avoid cream cheese for various reasons. We'll explore a fantastic alternative that delivers all the beloved flavors and a wonderfully creamy texture. Get ready to impress your guests with a dip that's both familiar and refreshingly different, perfect for any gathering or game day. The secret to our cream cheese-free buffalo chicken dip lies in plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. This ingredient is a game changer, offering a rich, tangy profile that closely mimics cream cheese while being a lighter option. You'll find it contributes a fantastic creamy texture and a delightful zest, ensuring your dip is just as satisfying and flavorful as the original. Plus, it adds a little extra protein. Assembling this dip is incredibly straightforward. First, shred about 2 cups of cooked chicken, which can be rotisserie or baked. Then, in a large bowl, combine the shredded chicken with 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of your preferred buffalo hot sauce, adjusting to your spice preference. Finally, mix in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and a dash of ranch seasoning for extra depth. Stir until everything is well combined. Once your ingredients are thoroughly mixed, transfer the buffalo chicken dip into an 8 by 8-inch baking dish. Smooth the top evenly. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 20 minutes or until the dip is bubbly and heated through. The cheese on top should be melted and slightly golden. Serve this delicious, creamy dip warm with an assortment of dippers like celery sticks, carrot sticks, or sturdy tortilla chips for a perfect appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.